Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and fine. In previous video, we have seen that Alice found a cake with marked "Eat me." She ate the cake and became taller and taller. After that, what happened we will see in this video. So let's read the passage. What do you think? Was she happy to find herself tall enough to reach the table and get the key to unlock the door, or to be too small to get through the door? Well, she could do that, but do you think she could get out of that tiny door? She could only just manage to lie flat, put her head down on the floor, and look out through the door. Poor child! She sat down on the floor and wept bitterly. She wept and wept and wept. Her tears ran down like a river, and very soon there was a large pool of tears in the room. After that, let's know the word meaning. Unlock. Unlock means to open a lock. Manage. Manage means to be able to do something. Flat. Flat means not high or deep. We call it in Hindi samtal or support. And fourth one is bitterly. Bitterly means strong emotion. And fifth one is large. Large means greater in size or big. After that, we have a verb, three form of verb: reach, reached, reached, get, got, gotten, think, thought, thought, put, 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 lie, lay, lain, sit, sat, sat, weep, wept, wept, run, ran, ran. And then we have a opposite words. So you know very well opposite words. So let's read. Happy. Happy ka sad. Unlock ka opposite lock. Get out ka opposite get in. Down up. Large small. So students, you have to learn it and write it in your notebook. Explanation. After became taller, what do you think? She was happy because now she is taller than table and get the key to open the door, or she can be too small to get out through the door. Well, she could do that. But do you think she could get out of that tiny door? No. She could not get out because she is very tall and that door is very small. She could only just lie down on the floor and look out by that tiny door. But she could not come out through the door. Poor child means bechari, child. Here poor is used for describing sympathy, giving sympathy. Alice sat down on the floor and wept too much that her tears ran down like a river, and very soon there was large pool of tears in the room. Means she wept too much and room was filled by her tears, became like a swimming pool. Okay, after that what happened we will see in next video.
Reading comprehension. Put a cross mark against the statement which are not true about Alice. First one, Alice did not eat the cake. Wrong. Second one, when Alice ate the cake, she grew taller. Right. Third one, the door of the room was too small for Alice to get out. Right. Fourth one, Alice talked to the white rabbit and he helped her. Wrong. There was a pool in the hall. Wrong.